Mastering the Bank on Plaid feature for Cash App.
Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll dive into the Bank on Plaid feature for the Cash App, a popular financial technology application. We'll explain what this feature is and guide you through the process of using it. Whether you're a new or seasoned Cash App user, this guide should help you make the most of this feature.
What is the Bank on Plaid feature for Cash App?
Plaid is a service that connects financial applications to users' bank accounts for easier transactions. When we talk about the Bank on Plaid feature in Cash App, we're referring to the integration of this service into the application. This integration allows users to connect their bank accounts to the Cash App via Plaid, enabling seamless and efficient money transfers between these accounts. With the Bank on Plaid feature, you no longer have to manually enter your banking information every time you want to move money in or out of your Cash App account.
How do I use the Bank on Plaid feature?
Using the Bank on Plaid feature on Cash App is relatively straightforward. Here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Open the Cash App on your device. 2. Navigate to the Banking or Funds section of the app. The exact name may vary depending on your app's version and platform. 3. Select Link Bank Account. 4. At this point, the app will redirect you to Plaid's interface. Here, you'll need to select your bank from the list of available institutions. 5. You'll be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. These details are needed to authenticate and establish the link between your bank account and the Cash App via Plaid. 6. After successful authentication, your bank account will be linked to your Cash App account. Remember, your banking credentials are handled securely by Plaid and not stored by the Cash App, ensuring the safety of your personal information. And that's it. You now know what the Bank on Plaid feature for Cash App is and how to use it. It's a handy tool that makes transferring money to and from your Cash App account a breeze. As with all financial transactions, make sure to handle your credentials securely to protect your personal information. If you found this guide helpful, share it with other Cash App users who might also benefit. Thanks for watching and happy banking!